Hey everyone, so today's going to be a really wet run. Just left the car park at Crowden and I'm going to be heading up to Chew Reservoir and then I'm going to head across Featherbed Moss just to the trig point and back around. It's going to be really wet, I think, underfoot as well, but I'm just making my way up the valley now, and this is actually the route I came down on the Black Hill video, so if you want to take a look there in slightly better weather, then give that video a look as well. But yeah, I suppose it's still a nice day. You know, the clouds are really low on the hills, which give them a really lovely feel to them. And of course the big advantage is there are plenty of spaces in the car park because not many people are out. So join me on this run today up to Chew Reservoir. So I've done most of the climb now. I'm just heading up over the moors, but just to give you an idea of how wet it is up here, this is the path. So my feet are quite wet now. So here I am, I'm up at Chew Reservoir. It's spectacularly wet up here, but it's good to be here, and my feet are wet. Knew that was going to be the case. This is my turnaround point though, so I'm looking forward to heading back down now. The top of Chew Reservoir, it's just above Dovestone Reservoir. There's a really great route up from Dovestone Reservoir to here, and this is the valley that leads you down to Dovestone Reservoir. Really great walk, so encourage that. Right, I'm going to head back now. So I've just got back to the fence, which is the kind of waypoint for me to head over to the trig point, and I'm heading over there somewhere.